everybody, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And in today's video, I will be showing another demo of one of Mondo LLama's products that I got from Target. And honestly, I've had this had to be like over a month now, so it needs to be opened. I just have so many ideas and so much to do, so sometimes I don't get to everything right away, but I'm getting to it now. So this is the Create Your Own Melty Beads kit. I got this because it just looked really fun. It kind of brought me back to my childhood a little bit, and I just thought it would be great to make a video on it because why not? It just looks fun. So this is the contents of the box. And here's the instructions. Then what is this? Oh, this is probably like butcher paper because you will need an iron. So I have my iron, and the iron I'm going to use is the Cricut. I don't know what this is called. Is this an easy press as well, or is this a different name? But either way, I'm using this one. Hope I have all the colors I need. I wonder if they like count them. Okay, so here's some plastic pegboards. Honestly, I wasn't even sure which one I wanted to do because I was actually looking at the box itself, and the box had two designs that I really liked. For some reason, I really like this rainbow because I've really been big on rainbows lately. It's summertime. The rainbows have all the colors, colorful. And then I noticed this watermelon because summertime, I've been big on watermelons too lately. So I'm just wondering what design I should do. I think for this video, I'm gonna keep it simple. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the watermelon design. And I'm gonna use the circular one here to do the watermelon, just like on the box. I'm wondering, should I just like pour them out? Maybe I should just pour them out like that. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just put the beads on the board. And yeah. So far, it's looking pretty good, but I'm gonna try to hurry up and separate some of these pinks first because this is time consuming. Like, I did not even think about that. So I'm almost done. And honestly, I underestimated the time this would take. Like, it didn't take too long to do, but I remember this from my childhood. So it's a little different now. I have chronic pains and I'm flared up standing here putting this together. But it looks so cute. It looks so adorable despite me messing it up and having a setback, having to fix it. It came out really cute. I really like it. And I was wondering, like, why didn't I have enough pink? I was like, why would they show this in the box, right? But then I looked at the picture again and it has yellow or green. I guess it's a lighter green. But yeah, I fixed it. So this is how it's looking now that I'm done. It looks awesome. And I got many beads left so I can do more projects in the future. Now I'm going to go ahead and power up my iron and wait for it to get hot. And then we're going to go ahead and iron this thing together and melt it. I'm weary about like my iron touching my desk surfaces. Like, this might be an okay surface to put it on, but usually I always put something under it. And then on this surface, I can't put it on the mat because it's going to warp the mat. And I don't want to have to buy another mat. So if you see me being extra, that's why I'm being extra. Okay, let me move some of these beads out the way. I'm gonna cut this real quick. Oh, how exciting. Yay. I hope this iron gets hot enough. I feel like it does. Like, Cricut irons are really hot. And this is how it's looking so far. I don't want to overdo it. It looks like it is melted on there, so I gotta let it cool. And then we gotta flip it over and do the same thing on the other side, so. This side. Okay, that's okay. We can put it back on. And just do this side. Okay, this is how we're looking. So far, so good. This side kinda didn't melt enough, but I will see how it look after I do the other side. I'm just trying to make sure I got it good. All right, let's see how this one is. Let me give it a second to cool. They said if it's done properly, it should be like holes in the middle. Now, I'm wondering, did I do it right or is it supposed to be closed? Actually, I think it looks really cool though. Like, you can see through it. It looks really good. What do y'all think? I like this. And you can make it into a keychain too. Actually, this is really hot. I need to sit this back down. This is hot. Let me let it cool. But while it's cooling, I can talk about it. So, my review. Easy to do. Great to do with kids. And they have a lot of product inside, so you can make multiple sets of it if you want to. So it looks like it's good for, you know, 4 different things. This was, I want to say, about $15 or $16. So it wasn't too expensive. And I got this at Target. And here's how the box looks. I mean, if I had to rate it, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I think it was easy, affordable, fun to do. Oh, instructions are clear. And I'm probably going to make it into a keychain. I hope you can see what I see. Like, when you look directly through it, it kind of looks like a flower a little bit. I don't know if all the beads was supposed to be perfectly melted together or not, but It still has a cool like pattern to it. It looks really cool. Wow, this gave me nostalgia. This was great. This was so great. Let me turn my iron off before I forget. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was super cute and super fun to do. I do have a couple of other products that I want to try from this brand whenever I get to them. So stay tuned for that. Also, make sure you check out my latest uploads on my channel because I have been uploading consistently and I'm so proud of myself for that. And I have a lot new planner content out there and some other new planner videos. So I want you guys to check that out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Bye, guys.